Hello everyone. We are here at Hair Escapades. We turn people from drab to fat. We have here one of Solomon's teachers, Miss Arnell. You might have seen her in a previous video a couple of years back. But as you can see, this is her hair. It's a lot, as you can tell. She's getting a Brazilian blowout done, right? So this is her hair.
I'm referring to Santa Rita Reserva.
You know, I put the solution in, blow dry, flat iron it. We had to rinse it, put the conditioner in, rinse the conditioner out. And this is how it looks. So remember how puffy it was, you guys? Now look, it's just, wow. You should have saw, oh my God, it was like pulling teeth out of a lion's mouth trying to get a comb, anything through her hair. I swear to God. It was a lot going on. But you're going to see the end results. We're getting close to the end. So stay tuned, you guys. Look at that beautiful hair. Ooh, look at that. Oh, this little. So how do you like your hair, Miss Arnell?
I love it. I absolutely
Can you like whip it? You know you got that whip appeal. That's that whip appeal right there.
Wow,
Look at that.
Amazing. It's absolutely amazing job. Just amazing.
See?
Oh, is that my phone?
No, that's me. That's my phone. It's late. That's my son driving me crazy. All right, you guys. It's been a long day, long night. But as you can see, we take you from drab to fat. That looks nice.
It does. It really looks nice.
Look how long her hair is, you guys.
Excellent job.
Look at that. Look at the color. Look how the light just hits that color.
And the color is beautiful.
Yeah, color came out. It came out better than what I expected. It did. It came out pretty good. We covered that gray. Yeah. Yeah, that's really nice. So that's the thing, you guys. You can still get, the great thing about the Brazilian blowout, you can still have color. Get the color done first, then you can put the Brazilian blowout on. But everybody keeps saying, oh, I don't know how it works in African American hair. As you can see,
this is definitely African American hair.
She's definitely African American. Definitely. So it works, and it'll last her about 3 months as long as she uses a sulfate-free shampoo. So she's good.
I love it. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and then we trimmed her ends too. Her ends was killing me. We trimmed her ends. But yeah, this is how he looks. Wow. Wow. That is beautiful.
It is.